Okay. Alright, we're building again. Back to building, back to building. Bob the Builder. Can we build it? Alright, quick update. Father-in-law gave me this project to build. Basically, he wants to give me a spreadsheet and he wants me to make a custom map. I look tired. It's okay. It's 8:40. The trick is going to be not to put my information out there. My APIs and stuff. We'll see if I can do it. Created. Got any console errors? We do. So let's copy this and just give it right back to it so I can fix my errors. This is probably why I can't see anything on the preview here, because we're on the preview, not the code. Error seeing related to Century, blah, blah, super-based connection, blocking functioning, network warnings, blah, blah, blah. Replace the placeholder EMB with your actual credentials. Okay. Yeah, so it needs my EMB. Key super-base, you're on a non-key. Okay, I can do that. Grab this over here. Alright, I'm gonna have to do a little bit off screen because you guys can't see this. Actually, I wonder if I can just double it up here. Go open it on a new browser. I bet I could. This way you guys don't see it. But I'm still building. Yeah, see, that's what you guys can see. We'll keep it like that. Alright, you just chill over there for a second while I fix my input files over here. So it needs my API keys, which I have. Now showing you on the screen, that's cool. I'll reset that, that's no big deal. So I actually need to put that in to render, which is here. Which I will do momentarily. That's the value. Google Maps API key, I gotta put that in over here. But now I need to talk to this. What is the start command for render? So this is the command that starts my back end, but I don't know what it's supposed to be. That right there. Okay. What about build command? What's the build command for render? Let's find out. Build command for blah 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 is echo no build blah blah blah. Which is current step in this project. Okay. Node.js. Okay, so I don't even have to do that. Good, good. We'll deploy the back end now. Render backend URL. I actually probably have that here. Which I do. Put that in here. We'll save it. So I'm gonna have to reload Bolt on this side because now I have all my stuff in there. So let me reload this. Because now it's got my API keys. Let's see if that works. Good, good, good. So it's going to ask for this. Direct map upload in minutes. So let's ask it, what else needs to be done? what else needs to be done? What are my next steps here? Deploy your backend, which is already deploying, which I'm getting a lot of errors on, which I can probably show you guys. I'll show you my backend here in a second. Connect repository, which is already done. Build command. Oh, see, so now you have different build commands and start commands. Okay. So let me pull this over here so you can see that. Build command, copy that. Let's go down here to my build command. Edit my build command, paste, save. And this is my start command. No. Start command. Start command. That already says it in there. Okay, so we don't need that. So that should be starting to deploy. I'll just deploy it. Set the environment and render. Okay. So we have to go here. My render settings. I need to add these in to the environment here. I gotta edit. I gotta add new. I need the superbase URL. The non-key. You let me have multiple. Nice. Google Maps API key. Another one. Port default 3001. Front end URL. Which I don't know what that's gonna be yet. Just leave that blank. That in. Put that in. Max API key. Sorry, I gotta pull this one off. This one will charge me a lot of money if that gets into the wrong hands there. I'm just gonna save. I don't know how to put my front end URL. So let's just ask it, what is my front end URL? What is my front end URL? I don't know. Let's ask AI. Thinking. Okay, okay. I wish I knew what music I could play, because I want to hear something in my ear. Let's just look, what music can we play on YouTube? Royalty-free music. Cool, can I just play stuff? Maybe not. Turn that for you guys down too. It's not gonna be that loud. little punk pop. Okay. So once I deploy this, that'll give me my Netflix URL. I guess that's just deploy. How do I deploy? You push this button right here. Build, front end, blah blah blah, React, HTML, JSS, so it's every deployment affiliate, it's basically deploy. Ready to deployment. Here, GitHub. Alright, let's just run it. Let's just run it. We'll fix it in production, because that's what we do. Trademark that. It's gonna be my tagline. Fix in production. We fix in production. Alright, so now I'm gonna ask transfer blah blah blah, you can use this URL to claim. Alright, let's do that. With my GitHub. Yep. I'm already registered with this email address. Log in to connect with your GitHub account. Okay, cool. So why don't you let me? So why don't you let me then? Oh, look at that! Wow. Claim apps. Bam. So this is probably my front end URL here. Shkabow. So I have to go back here. Front end URL. I gotta edit this. Post this into here. We're just gonna save this. My nose itches. Okay, let's get, actually let's check our back end here. Did our back end go? We got logs. Ooh, you know what, let's just try it now. We'll redeploy, and then if that don't work, then we'll go to our fixer. If this don't work, we'll go to our fixer. Some issues need review. Okay. Build successful, so let's copy the log, just dump it into ChatGPT. We're gonna build show successful. Using blah blah blah, so you should be aware of. The repo, check commit, node version, build version, it ran successfully. Good, warnings, too low, too high. Quick fix without it. Deeper issues and dependencies. Okay. Check your packages dependencies. Okay. But she's still deploying. But so far so good. So that's good here. So now we'll go here. What's next? Back end deployed. Delayed. Deployed. The back end deployed. Why is my nose itching so bad? Retrieve back into URL. Public URL deployed. Service runs dashboard. Update. Oh, come on. Update the blah blah blah. Your Netflix better needs to add or update. Okay, so let's go here. I've never used this. Not whatever shenanigans here. It's gonna take me a minute to figure out where to put this stuff. But that's the fun part. Just out this. Cool, cool, cool. No. Continuous deployment. Split testing. Environment variables. Add a single. And we want this. All scoops. The value of the back end is here. So it's done. Okay, you're a baby. We're baby twins. So if I get up and run, I'm just getting the baby stuff. Making sure they stay asleep. Alright, so I guess, actually let's make this easier. Give me a spreadsheet with random data with first name, last name, address, phone number. Make it 50. Make 50. Make 50. Download. It's a CSV. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. We just getting started. Ooh. Build failed. So now we copy the log, go to our builder here. We just getting started. Packages missing start. If using typical Node Express, start Node.js. So now I'm not sure which of these I'm going to use, so let's go back here. We'll just dump it into this chat. This will tell me which one I'm going to use. Oh, implement this. Okay. This is how you use AI to your advantage. Without knowing anything. Let's install the dependencies on the package JSON, which is already done. React script. So that's what it was right there. Come on, dependencies. It's already done. Just gotta be patient sometimes. I don't want to go too fast for it. That'll screw it up. Impatient. Redeploy. So when I update these codes, or these files here, I have this connected to my GitHub here, which is not open, but whatever, which automatically updates those files, and then this is connected to my GitHub, so it pulls that automatically. We'll fix those before we actually launch. Fix it in production. See, it's saying build successful. So I said last time. Man, I'm looking tired. One of the guys on Shark Tank said, would you rather be broke or would you rather be tired? And ever since he said that, I've been getting like no sleep, or as little sleep as possible. So we just keep building until something hits. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Open ports detected. We build in GeoMapper. So essentially what this is supposed to do is you dump your CSV files into it, or your Excel workbook into it. It extracts addresses and puts them into a custom Google map with pins where each of the addresses are. Not sure what this is gonna do, but it was suggested by my stepfather, so we'll see what he wants to do with it. So I'm just gonna keep building tools. And post it on Twitter. Post. Playing around again with AI and building another new project until I replace my job. Come watch on YouTube. What's my YouTube? What did I call this thing? Somebody tell me what I called it. Tell me in the comments. I'm just kidding, there's somebody there. Build with Craig. Oh, 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 oh. I'll just put this in here. Wow. It's out. It's out there. We out there. GG. Alright. Anyways. Still deploying. I'm assuming it's good. Cancel deployment. It's still trying to deploy, so let's just copy the logs. Let's dump it into our brain here. App is failing to play because it doesn't expose networks. Okay, render can detect it. It's a localhost. Okay. Update package just start script like that. So what we're gonna do then is go back here. We're just gonna copy this. And we're gonna drop this into here. And this should tell us what to do. Fix render. Configure. Is that it? Okay. Deploy. We tested production. That'd have been a cool name. Oh, I am tired though. I just keep building. New project. I guess while I'm waiting for this one, I could go back to my other one, huh? Show you another project that I'm building. Oh, I forgot about my Zoho. My Zoho mail. I'm pretty sure it sent out a bunch of emails, I hope. Yeah, no active tasks, I know. Nice. Well, I delivered a bunch of emails this morning. Was this it? That all it delivered? Well, that would be unfortunate. It's supposed to send out 50 emails. Really random. What a nest. Oh, these are all the manual emails I sent out. That's not my mass emails. I wonder if it's like under the Zoho CRM then maybe? Why wouldn't it show me in here though? That's weird. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Facts. Oh, we live, boys. Nice. Okay.